It's just a fail. It's not at all looking even decent. I think this hack is going to save a lot of money. Do not try this hack out. It just... Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I'm equipped to fashion, travel, lifestyle, yours and a lot more. And welcome back to another one. So in this video, I'll be trying out not one, not two, not three. I'll be testing out 10 viral 5-minute craft beauty hacks. So I love to watch those 5-minute craft hacks, though I know most of them don't work, but I was like, let's at least give them a try and see if maybe if they work, then you know the life will be so easier. So in this video I'll be doing those hacks right in front of your eyes and I will be giving them marks out of 10 how the hack really performs. Definitely this video is going to save a lot of time and energy of yours. By just watching this video you will know that do you have to try those hacks or not. So if that's something which interests you, then keep on watching. So for the first hack, what the girl does is she takes the soap and a toothbrush and just rubs it and makes her eyebrows, and according to the video it shows that the eyebrows will stay for a long time. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I have the Lux soap right here and I'm gonna use a old toothbrush. Please do not use a new one. If you use the soap a little wet, then it might work, otherwise so it definitely won't. Okay, so that's that. I have soap residue right here. If I say it will stay, it might stay, but I would personally not use soap to set my eyebrows. But yeah, I think this will work in the need of the hour and I'll give this hack like a 5 on 10. Okay guys, for the second hack, what they does is basically they take a concealer which is like almost empty. This was about to go in my empties only, and what they do is they have this cap here, they remove it, and then there's a lot of concealer which easily comes out. So I'm gonna try to remove the cap right here, and I do not think it's an easy task, but if it works it's going to be amazing. Let me grab a pair of scissors or tweezers. Okay guys, I'm back with a pair of scissors and I think it might help. Okay, this cap is definitely removable and I had no clue that concealers have this cap which is removable. Okay, so I think it's coming off. Oh my god, the cap is off. Yes guys, the cap is off. Oh my god. And I think, oh yes, the concealer comes out more. Like इसमें भी बहुत ही कम बचा था, but definitely इतना भी नहीं निकल रहा था पहले, and now it is coming out. So this hack definitely works. I'm gonna apply the concealer now and I will give this hack like a good 10 on 10 because this is a great hack. I think this hack is going to save a lot of money. Okay guys, so one hack was a hit, one hack was a miss, and now it's time for the third hack and I'm really excited to try this one. So what a girl does is she takes an orange lipstick, she applies it on her brows, her eyes, her lips, her cheeks, everything, and even as a nose contour, and the full makeup turns out to be really nice. So this is the orange lipstick which I have today. This is one from My Glam. I personally don't use it at all. As you can see, it's a full lipstick and orange is definitely not my color. So let's try out this hack. I think बाकी सब जगह चल जाएगा. Eyebrows में orange lipstick is a little too much, but she definitely applies a lot. The cheeks look so cute. Personally, I'm not at all happy with how I'm looking right now, but let me try to blend it. She uses different tools for different things. So for eyebrows she uses a earbud, so let me try that. I think eyebrows are a fail. It's just a fail. It's not at all looking even decent. That's a fail. And for the eyes she uses her fingers. I've used a creamy lipstick so it's easy to blend. Lipstick as eyeshadow is still a thing, so eyes look okay. And for the cheeks and the contour, she uses a beauty blender. I'm gonna do the same. Okay guys, so for the nose, it is I think a person fairer than me, it might suit them, but for me it's like too orange for a nose too. And for the cheeks, it's pretty good. Like, I anyway use a lot of lip tints and lipsticks for my cheeks, they look nice, and for my lips I don't like the orange color, so that's that. But overall, the eyebrows are a fail, the eyes are okay, the nose is a fail, the cheeks are amazing, the lipstick is great. Okay, so how many marks will I give to this hack? I think I'll give it a 6 on 10 because some things worked and some things didn't. So yeah, now let's move on to the next hack. Okay guys, so are we ready for another hack? In this one, what she does is she just applies a liner, and agar wo kharab bhi ho jata hai, what she does is she just takes her finger and pulls it off, and the liner comes out to be perfect. So that's what I'm gonna try today, and I think it won't work. And for this, I've taken a liner which smudges so that it's easier for me to, you know, check it out, because agar ye bahut hi transfer proof type liner hoga to wo bilkul bhi nahi hilega. So let's try it out. मैंने जान के बहुत टेढ़ा eyeliner लगाया, as you can see, and let's do it. Can you see that? Oh my god. Okay, let me bring another liner which is great and which does not smudge, and let's try it out with that on the other eye. Okay, so earlier I was using the Lakme 9 to 5, now I'm using the Lakme Absolute Shine line, and this is a kajal liner which does not really budge. ये बिल्कुल सीधा लग रहा था, मैंने इसको जान के टेढ़ा मेढ़ा किया, and now let's just. Guys, if you want a liner like this, definitely try out this hack. Otherwise, do not try this hack out. It just, can you see that? It's too bad. And इसके लिए तो marks देने की option भी नहीं होनी चाहिए. I'll give it 0 out of 10. I think I'll give it -2 on 10 because इससे आपका already वाला makeup भी खराब हो जाएगा. Okay guys, I'm back with my bare face again, and now the hack which I'm gonna try out, I am thinking that I think it will work. So basically what the girl does is she uses a spoon to make her eyebrow shape, and according to that she does fill her eyebrows, and let's try it out. So she uses this bend right here to make a bend at your eyebrow, and then she starts filling them in. So it should ideally be like something like this according to my eyebrow shape. This is how it's applied. Okay, let me try again with the other eye. It might work better this time. Yeah, this has worked better this time to make this shape. So this is like this also needs a lot of practice, I feel, and if you have to do a practice to fill your eyebrows with a spoon, you better do it like the usual way. So for me, this hack is a 5 on 10 because you need practice, and if you I would personally prefer doing my eyebrows as it is rather than taking a spoon and then doing it, because yeah. So this hack is a for me. So guys, we have another eyebrow hack. In this one, what the person does is she takes a brown eyeshadow, like a dark, deep down dark eyeshadow, and takes a brush and just moves it like this, like not in a shape. I have personally used dark eyeshadows to fill my brows, but the way she does, I've never tried that, you know, just that fill in everything and then remove the excess. So we're gonna try that out today. So see, this is a perfect shade to fill in the eyebrows, but अभी जब हम excess remove करेंगे तब पता लगेगा hack कितना काम करता है. So I have micellar water on this cotton pad, and now I'm gonna try it out. I think this hack works. The only part I don't like is कि inner corner बहुत ज़्यादा dark fill हो गया है, but otherwise this hack pretty much works. Oh yes, this hack definitely works except the inner corner, so I'm gonna just remove a little from the inner corner also. my eyebrows look good. So for this hack, I'll give it a 8 on 10. The only thing I don't like is that you have to remove the inner corners, and yeah, that's it. Now let's move on to the next hack. Okay, so the next hack is an eyeshadow hack, and you basically do not need any brush. You need an eyeshadow palette and some tissue paper, and just dab it on 2-3 colors and then just apply it like a stack. So that's what I'm gonna do. Take a little bit of pink, a little bit of green, and then maybe a purple. Let's do the bright color so that we know if it stacks or no. Oh my god, this works and this looks amazing. But I think I do not have much to apply on this eye, and I think the only problem which we will face is that we want the equal color, and it's impossible to have the same eyeshadow on the both eyes. But I think it works. This will work in the need of the hour, and when you have nothing to do and you just have tissue papers and an eyeshadow palette, I think this will work. So I'll give this hack a 7 on 10 because this definitely works. Okay guys, so next up we have an eyeliner hack again, and I'm pretty scared to ruin my face again. So what the girl does is she applies the liner, and when she blinks the eyeliner goes pitter-patter and then she takes a tape and then she just removes it. And I think I'm gonna do that only, but let me open the tape first because I think otherwise it'll take me time to open the tape only. So I've taken the silver tape so that you guys can see properly, but otherwise you can take like any tape. The liner has to go nice, and she blinks. Okay, when I blink my eyeliner is totally down, and but let's see. And अभी साइड वाला रिमूव करके देखते हैं, नीचे वाले का तो उन्होंने कोई हैक दिया नहीं है. So removes it. Okay, yes, it works. See, personally it has definitely made a wing shape, but it was pretty a wing already. And the niche wala liner, it's not removable by the tape. So this hack is a 50-50 again, I'll say. So I will give this hack a 5 out of 10. And yeah, I personally am not really finding good hacks in this video, but yeah, okay, whatever. Okay guys, so it's time for the second last hack, and for that what she does is she takes a concealer which is like very dark to her face, and then she takes a liquid lipstick, and then she takes a liquid highlighter and just applies it and then blends it all in. So I do not have a concealer which is like very dark to my face, so I'm gonna use a chocolate brown lipstick. So this is the lipstick which I'm gonna use. It's like very chocolatey brown. I'm gonna apply it on the third finger. Then I'm going to apply a Miss Claire pink lipstick. It's a nice lip creme, so it should blend easily. And then I'm using a sugar liquid illuminator. It's like a highlighter only. So yeah, that's that. So this is how everything looks like. I think I should do it on the other side also. Okay, so this side definitely looks better than this one, but I think that's fine. Okay, so let's blend it in. First of all, blending cream products with a brush is not a good idea already, I feel. But I think the highlighter and the blush looks nice. The contour is looking like okay-ish, but this overall looks fine. And I think this hack can be given good marks. I think I'll give it like 8 on 10 because this definitely works. So the last hack is a nail one. So I'm gonna bring you a little closer and we're gonna perform the activity right here, and then we'll talk about it. So what the girl does for this one is she takes 3 nail paints, apply 1 dot each on a surface. So then she takes a thread and just applies some color on the thread, and then just puts it on a finger and push it all out. Okay, so it is definitely not a pretty easy one. This is how it looks like. This might work with a little bit of practice, but now it just looks very dumb. And let me try it again on another finger maybe. Try. Okay guys, so I've tried it on 2 fingers. It does not really work well, but I think it's like a 50-50. Okay guys, so the last hack did not work at all. I would personally give it a 2 on 10. Maybe it works, maybe with a lot of practice, maybe with a lot of precision it might work, but personally I don't think it will work, so I'll just give it 2 on 10. And with that we finish the video right here. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed these fun 10 hacks with me, and if you want me to do more of these kinds, let me know in the comment section. I would love to do them for you guys. Till then, bye bye guys, I love you so much.